The reason why we want to do research for the climate change is because we want to know exactly the mechanisms behind it. Most importantly, we want to know the impact of climate change. We are trying to convey the information that the whole Earth system is not a simple one. It's very complicated, it's an integrated one. You have to consider different components in the whole system. For any kind of climate research, we need some kind of, I'd like to say about three different things, different tools. One is observation, we call the measurements. That's what I'm going to show you using the weather stations. The second one is kind of the modeling. My group has been doing some climate simulations. We use a numerical model to do the climate reconstruction in the past, what's going on right now, and what's going to happen in the future. Okay? That we call numerical simulation. The other one is basically data analysis. So the observation is very important for us to verify, for example, your model output is correct or accurate. For me, I think that's a unique part of my research. First of all, we are looking at what's going on in the Kansas City metro area. We are looking at the impact on the kind of neighborhood level. So that's some kind of very unique part of my research. We are looking at not really far away from us. We are looking at our backyard. When we talk about the weather, extreme weather and the climate events, what are going to impact people's life, right? For example, in the bad weather, we will have an impact on people's health, right? And also climate change will also impact on the urban planning, and also that will also a kind of economic disparity. So those are kind of very complicated. We needed to know exactly what happened in the past, and then we know the impact, and then we are going to kind of, based on what we learned from the past and nowadays, we want to do some kind of predictions or projections for the future. Sometimes through the interactions with the students, I learned quite a lot from them. Because I'm a PhD, so my area is relatively narrow. But for a freshman, for example, their thought is wild, right? And then sometimes they're going to kind of stimulate you to think about something that you never think about.